Right here we have an 8.5 by 22 Moritz Deckover trailer. It's going to have an 8-inch cold form I-beam frame, a flat plate with the pintle hookup. We can change that out to a 2 5/16, 12K drop leg jack, aluminum toolbox is standard. We upgraded with a spare tire on the mount. You got a nice heavy duty step to get up onto the deck. The deck height is about 33 inches. Moritz is going to use 2x8s and 2x10s for boards instead of 2x6s and 2x4s. We got torsion axles up underneath here on two 7Ks, 10 ply tires, 8 lug hubs. Nice step here in the middle. You got mud flaps. On the back here, you also have rubber rail to tie down to. This trailer right here is perfect for hauling drywall and pallets and stuff like that. No ramps, but 2 sets of stop turn tails. We have 3-inch C-channel cross members every 24 inches up underneath.